Hey guys, it's Gwen. So today I'll be telling you how to make a pop-out tutorial on Alight Motion. So as well, import your clips. Here I'm using Hyunjin's picture. Okay, so after you import your clips, go to Google Chrome. My Chrome is on the other side of my phone. So go to your Chrome and open Background Remover. Or link's gonna be on the description box. Okay, the link is up there. Just press it once, open the link, and it will lead you to some kind of page like this. Upload your image, tap it once, and search for your picture. My picture isn't here, so I'm just gonna explore. Press it and search for your picture. Sometimes it loads so long, so you have to be patient. Okay, that's my picture. Tap it twice and wait for the picture to be uploaded by the website. Okay, it's uploading and now it's removing the background. As you see, the background is erased, so I'm just gonna press download, but it's up to you to press download HD. But if you wanna press it, you have to log in first. Okay, so now I'm going back to my Alight Motion. Go to your project. My project is on project 19. So go add the removed background and don't crop it. Here I'm cropping it and it's the worst part. Okay, so I'm just gonna undo it and add another removed background picture. Move it downwards and crop it. Okay, as you see, it's more shorter than the first one. Duplicate the layer and disable the first and the second picture. Leave the last picture and add an effect. Go to drawings and add halftone dots. Okay, scroll downwards and press the first color. Just set the color to the most used color on your picture. I think I used more on dark blue, so I'm gonna make it into dark blue. And for the second color, I'm gonna turn it into light blue so it matches with the background color. Okay, for the total, I'm gonna set it into 1000. I think that's enough. 100.0 or maybe 1000. I don't know how to read it. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna set it into 100,000, I guess. And for the strength, make it into 500. 0.500. Okay, for the total, I'm gonna make it into 100.0, aka 1000. That's enough. 100. Okay, so for the strength, I'm gonna make it into 500. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the same effect to the second clip. Just copy your effect and paste it on the second clip. Okay, my clip is ready with effects ready, so now I'm gonna make a move transitions. Okay, so to add a move transition, you have to add your keyframes. So go to move and transform and add your first keyframe. For your first keyframe, just make it as the original place as your picture, and for the second keyframe, move it as many as you want. So I'm just gonna move it like this because I think it looks good on my project, so it's up to you. Now copy my graph. Okay, for the second clip, do the same thing as the first clip. Add your keyframes and copy my graph. Okay, so now our transition is ready, but I think we have to add the blending mode. So add your keyframes and make the first keyframe into 100 and make the second keyframe into 0. And do the same thing to the second clip. Add your keyframes. But please, I'm really sorry. Please remove your graph, because it will look so fast and ugly on your project, but it's up to you. I'm not gonna use the graphs because I wanna make it slow. Okay, so our project is ready. We've made it pop out of Hyunjin's body. So this is the first version, and I'm gonna make a tutorial of the second version. For the second version, it's still the same, but it's gonna be even slower. I'm gonna make it the second version because it looks good on my project than the first one. Okay, for the second version, make it longer and make the settings even longer too, like your keyframes. Move it and don't change your graphs. Okay, as you see, it's very slow, but I think it's too slow that I only can see the color, not the dots. So to make it clearly, go to the blending settings and make it 5 seconds even slower or faster. Make it 5 seconds slower. Yeah. And there you go. We can see the dots clearly and it pops out really good. So thanks for watching and God bless you. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and thank you.